Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are installing Visual Studio and this will be used to type code into our game. We are going to do some programming. If you don't know programming, that's okay, because I'll try to cover every aspect of the code and explain everything. And if you have any doubts, just comment, just ask. That's no problem. So first we are going to go add up to Google, type Visual Studio Code, no, not Visual Studio Code, sorry, Visual Studio Community. We are going to use this first one, Free IDE Developer Tools. We're going to say download VS Community 2017. This is free, by the way. And it's already downloading. I'm gonna save. Yes. Okay. So we'll just say pretty much okay to everything here. Okay, almost done. Okay, so I already have it installed. I guess I have an update, but you install Visual Studio Community. Okay, it should open right here, a prompt to install Visual Studio Community. You don't need these two. These are enterprise and professional. We don't need that. We just need the community version, which is free. So install Visual Studio Community 2017, and when it's done, you can close it. Close the installer. I'll just wait for mine to update. Okay, update is all done, so we can close this and this, and let me see what I do. So here you go. You will have this icon right here, similar to this. So let's open this up so we can see what Visual Studio is, and this is Visual Studio. You may have another template, maybe a little lighter, but I like dark templates. So we are going to use this to type code and in C#. So, but later in the videos, not now. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and in the next video we are going to introduce Unity. Oh, but before we close, let's open Unity and let's open our tutorial project and do it. Go to Edit, Preferences, External Tools, and make sure you have Visual Studio Community here or Visual Studio 2017. If you don't have anything here, go to Browse, and you must find Visual Studio 17, not here but on the C drive, Programs, where is that? Okay, I can just go here, open the location. Okay, just go here to this location. So Microsoft Visual Studio, program files 86, so 32 bits. Visual Studio 2017 Community Commons 7 IDE, and you select the dev environment application, and it should open up Visual Studio here, and so select that, close, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I see you in the next video.